have a headache. What made me got the headache is the sun, the stupid sun, which I don't like it. While I was in the car, I was in Downey Kaiser or Downey Hospital. I usually call it. I film restrooms there. It was filmed at Downey Kaiser, but I usually call it Downey Hospital. But I called it Downey. I also film restrooms in Downey, in Norwalk Kaiser, Kohler Kingston toilet, and American Standard Falls from the 2000s. That was really at Norwalk Kaiser, but I call it Downey Clinic.